Hello and welcome back to Read Academy. In this lesson, we are going to explore the past simple tense, one of the most commonly used tenses in English. By the end of this video, you will understand what tenses are, where the past simple fits among the 12 tenses, why it's important, when to use it, and how to use it correctly with all types of sentences. We'll also look at the rules, sentence structure, and plenty of examples. So let's dive in. To start with, let's talk about what tenses are. In English, tenses are used to show when an action happens in the past, the present, or the future. Let's look at these examples. I eat lunch, that's the present. I ate lunch, that's the past. I will eat lunch, that's the future. Tenses are essential for communication because they help the listener understand when something took place. There are 12 tenses in English, divided into 3 main time zones: past, present, and future. Each time zone has 4 forms: simple, continuous or progressive, perfect, perfect continuous. That gives us the 12 total tenses, and today we are focusing on the past simple, the basic tense used to talk about actions that are finished and happened at a specific time in the past. When do we use the past simple tense? Here are some situations when we use the past simple. When we talk about completed actions in the past. For example, I visited my grandmother yesterday. To describe actions that happened one after another. For instance, he entered the room, turned on the light, and sat down. For past habits that no longer happen, like when I was in school, I walked to class every day. To mention facts or truths that were valid in the past. For example, the dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Now let's look at how to use the past simple in different sentence types. There are 4 forms we need to cover. Positive or affirmative sentences. The structure is subject followed by the past form of the verb. For example, I watched a movie last night. They went to the zoo on Sunday. Negative sentences. The structure is subject followed by did not, followed by the base form of the verb. Remember, when you use did in a sentence, you will use the base form of the main verb. Let's look at these examples. I did not watch the news. We did not go to the party. Interrogative sentences. The structure will be did followed by the subject followed by the base form of the verb. A question mark is put at the end of the sentence. For example, did you see the movie? Did they travel by train? It's important to remind you that the base form of the verb is used with did. Negative questions. Did comes at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject, then not, then the base form of the verb. A question mark is put at the end. For example, did you not finish your homework? Did they not know about the test? Let's quickly review what you have learned today. The past simple is used to talk about actions completed in the past. The second form of the verb is used in this tense. In negative and interrogative sentences, the base form of the verb is used with did. Time for practice. Make 8 sentences using the past simple tense, 2 of which are positive statements, 2 negative statements, 2 positive questions, and 2 negative questions. Remember to use different subjects and verbs in your sentences. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is Read Academy. Keep watching and keep improving your English language. See you in the next video.